Good morning. I'm heading up to Fowlers of Bristol to get some new bike gloves. There's the wife's hand. She's driving. She doesn't like it when I drive.
No. You can drive.
I can drive. I can drive perfectly well. So you can easily get traffic safe. Oh, crotch shot. There's nothing in it. Oh, balls. Why do trucks always pull out on hills? Getting back to me being supposedly a bad driver, in about 10, 11 years that I've been driving, and you've been driving a little bit longer, how many incidents have you had? Including speeding, accidents?
One accident wasn't my fault.
No, it doesn't matter about that, just how many? How many?
Was some other idiot that
how many?
drove at me.
How many?
One. And then I got caught speeding once. But that wasn't my fault.
Anyway, okay, let's go over to me. How many times have you been caught speeding or an accident? None. It's because I'm too good. I'll never get caught speeding.
I was going to say, it just means you didn't get caught.
More roadworks. The wife thinks it's really interesting going on the other side of the road. Oh no, this is messed up. Umma. It's like when you're swearing and kid infants go, Umma. You said the thing is, this day and age, you do get like 4-year-olds coming around and says, oi, earbite, you're right. Have you farted? No one likes a liar. Sedgemore Services, congratulations, you have very clean toilets. Hey look, Peugeot, we need a new shed. Ah ha 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 ha! Balls! It's red. Look at that though, eh? Look at that. Ta 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 ta. Oh my god, Bristol! Bloody roads. We're trying to just get back to that bit for Five Guys, but it's not really working out. Those really annoying people that don't move out the way on escalators. Oh yeah. Take one shampoo into the shower? Not me. Oh, missing one. 3 for 2 on muck off. So I got a little of that. Get out of it, dog. Got a Labrador. How good you could go. There you go. Use lube. Stroke the lube. And my gloves, which I must admit are budget gloves, but unless I can suddenly win the lottery, this is what I'm going to have. So, double stitched winter glove by Buffalo. It's got the old knuckle duster type thing. And here's my summer gloves. Ow, that's my foot. Oh, you're so cute. And there you go, by Buffalo again. I'm really hoping no one says Buffalo. But it's double stitched, they'll be alright. They'll be alright. Oh, next time I'll be on a bike.